Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to be showing you guys how to do an easy braid style at home. I'm going to show you guys today a step-by-step process on how I do 2 Dutch braids. But before I start, I'm wearing, so what I do when I'm home is I always put my hair either in a bun or up in a ponytail. Because sometimes when it's in my face it gets a little bit oily because I keep touching with it and playing with it. So my bangs are a little bit short, so to clip my bangs away, I'm wearing the Hiii hairpins, which is available on my website. I will attach the link right down below if you guys want to take a look. Really cute, easy to put on, affordable. Why not? So in order to do these 2 Dutch braids, what I do is I basically take, obviously, a profile section, which is like a straight line from the center of your hair all the way to the back. I mean, if you prefer your parting to be on the side, you can do that as well, but I like a middle parting. So sometimes this can get complicated because your girl does not know what is going on back here, but you can try your best to make it as straight as possible. So now that we got our sectioning and our parting done, you can take this piece of your hair and clip it away. I like to use one of these clips. I sometimes like to leave leave-in conditioner in my hair because my ends are a little bit brittle and dry. So today I'm going to be using Way Hair leave-in conditioner. And I don't apply too much of it, just shake it. I like it because it helps moisturize my hair. And when it's in these braids, I like to, since it's going to be put in for I usually keep my braids in for about like 7 days. It's literally my go-to hairstyle while I'm just at home doing nothing. I hate when my hair is in my face, especially while I'm working. But when I'm sleeping, when I wake up, my hair does get everywhere. So it's a little bit better when it's tamed and in braids. Once I apply the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to use my product. The product that I like to use is the Roots Natural. It's their Edge Control. It's really good for, it has great hold, so when you wake up in the morning, your hair is not really frizzy. It literally looks just as brand new as when you first had them in on the first day. So you're going to take the product and apply it. I wouldn't recommend applying it all throughout your hair. You just want to apply it directly on the section and right by your roots. And then take more product and apply it around your hairline. You don't need to put too much, a little goes a long way, and then what you can do is you just comb it through so the product spreads all throughout the hair. And if you're someone who likes their baby hairs to come out, you can just like comb a little bit around your hairline and bring those baby hairs out. How we're gonna start is you're gonna comb your hair back like this. Take a small section in the front, like a diagonal section. And the smaller the section, the smaller the braid base will be when you start. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna split this into 3, like this. And you're just gonna do a base of a braid first. So before you add any hair, just create the base first. And then you can start adding in pieces of the hair. Make sure you know where the direction of your braid is going. So if your hands are moving back this way, the braid is going to go back. If you're angling your hands over to the left, the braid's going to come out more of a diagonal angle. And I like to use my comb to get cleaner sections. Or you can use your hands, whichever way you like. make sure your hands are directly on your scalp. If you lift your hands away from your scalp, the braid will be loose. So make sure at all times your hands are directly sitting on the scalp. And as long as you know how to do the braid, adding the hair is easy. As you just go back, you just keep adding hair. So you just continuously braid. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take, once you take the section of your hair, you're gonna add it to the middle. You're always gonna add it to the middle strand of the hair. You can apply product right here when you're, so it helps you grip the hair. If you're someone who has really soft hair, applying product is crucial so your hands don't slip. And what I recommend for it to not hurt the little baby hairs in the back of your head, make sure your head is down. So once you do reach the back, your hands are against your scalp. And then once you are done braiding the hair on the scalp, you're gonna put your head down. And then once you're off of it, you can bring your head back up again. This will help you, well, this will prevent your hairs from pulling when you wanna move your head around. And that is how this braid side looks like. And what you can do is you can just take your comb all these parts through. And if you see any little flyaways, you can use the end of your comb and just tuck it under the braid. So how we're gonna first start the braid is we're going to take a small diagonal section like this. You're gonna split it into 3 little parts. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna create the base of the braid. So you're just gonna go strand by strand. So that's the base of the braid. And then you're gonna start adding the hair as you go. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna add the hair always to the middle strand of the braid. And if it gets a little bit difficult, you can use your comb to add the hair. And make sure that the angle of the braid is the same angle as the other side, so you know it's like not looking different, the braids are not going different directions. So now we're approaching towards the end. So I just like to apply more product as I go down. So this is what the end result looks like. Well, after we comb through the strands of hair. And that's it. This is how you get 2 easy Dutch braids. For someone who doesn't like to do their hair all the time, literally, it's a protective style. You don't have to keep doing your hair. You can leave in conditioner as much as you want. And it's literally easy. You can just wake up and your hair is done. If you guys are interested in learning more about different hair techniques and different braid styles, feel free to subscribe to my channel. And I'll be hoping to give you guys new videos soon. So thanks so much.